In today's video, we are going to cover how to create a timesheet in Xero. You should already be signed in to your Xero account. From the top navigation menu, click Projects. This opens the area where project activity, time, and related entries are managed. In the Projects drop-down menu, select Time Entries to go to the page where your recorded work time is listed. On the Time Entries page, look to the weekly calendar on the left side. This calendar shows the days in the current week and helps you choose the date for the time you want to enter. Select the day you want to record time for. Make sure you click the correct date before creating the entry, because the time entry will be attached to that selected day. With the day selected, click New Time Entry. This opens a new entry form for the date you chose. You will now fill in the details for the work you completed. Start by selecting the project you worked on. Choose the project that matches the time you are recording so the hours are assigned to the right job. After that, select the task associated with that work. The task should reflect the kind of work you completed within the project. So take a moment to confirm that both the project and task match what you want to log. Next, enter the amount of time worked. Add the hours and minutes for that entry based on the time you spent on the task. This is the part that determines how much time is added to the project and to the weekly total. So make sure the duration is entered accurately. If there are additional details available for the entry, enter them in the Notes or Details field. This can help provide context for the time entry when you review it later. If there is nothing extra to add, you can move on once the main fields are complete. When everything is filled in, save the new time entry. After saving, return to the Time Entries page and review the information shown under the selected date. Confirm that the project name, the task, and the recorded hours all appear where you expect them to appear. This quick review helps catch any mismatch before you continue. Then check the weekly total on the left side of the page. The total should now include the time you just entered. If the hours have been added there, it confirms that the entry was recorded in the correct week as well as under the correct day. Thanks for watching. Your timesheet entry in Xero is now saved and listed under the selected date with the weekly total updated.